Hi, I'm Dot Murchie. I work as manageress in Cymru Gwynedd shop in Porthmadog, Gwynedd. I was very fortunate getting this job, and the team in the office in Carnarvon are absolutely fantastic. I first got to know about the shop when my partner Peter and myself were on the way to the library, and there was a young lady and gent from Cymru Gwynedd and we're going to start an age well. So Peter and I went in. I put down the chair exercise because Peter's got Parkinson's, and obviously that would help him and myself. The things that Age Cymru Gwynedd do to help people, it's unbelievable. Over there, we have all the list of things that Age Cymru Gwynedd do, and I give booklets out to let people know what we do. And also the money we make goes back into the local community. I enjoy meeting people. So this has brought a new lease of life to me, especially with Peter. All the work I have to do with him, it does get me out, and I know it's doing good for other elderly people.